everyone. Now today we are here to do an experiment. Aim of the experiment is separation of the components of a mixture of sand, common salt and ammonium chloride by the sublimation. Let's discuss some theory related to this activity. What do you mean by the sublimable substances? Sublimable substances are those substances that can be transferred from the solid to the gaseous state without converting into the liquid state. And the sublimation is the technique that is used to separate the sublimable substances from the non-sublimable substances. Here we use one more technique, that is the filtration. Filtration is the technique that is used to separate the insoluble substances from the soluble substances. Okay. Let's start the activity. To do this activity, material requires salt, sand, ammonium chloride, 2 beakers, distilled water, funnel, glass rod for the steering, cotton, burner, matchstick, filter paper, tripod stand. Okay. Now let's start the activity. First of all, I am making a mixture of sand, camphor and salt. Okay. Now I will mix it with the help of the stirrer to make its mixture. Now this is my mixture of sand, salt and ammonium chloride. Okay. Now first of all we will use the technique of the sublimation to separate the ammonium chloride from the mixture, because ammonium chloride is a sublimable substances. Now for that what I am doing, I am adding this mixture in the beaker. Okay. I am doing this in the beaker, but if you have the china dish, you can use that china dish to this for this sublimation process. Now next what I am doing, I am placing funnel on the mouth of the beaker. Now I am adjusting the cotton in the opening of the funnel. Now I have adjusted cotton on the opening of the funnel. Now I will place this beaker on the tripod stand. Now I will burn the burner under this beaker. Now I am burning the burner. With its heat, the ammonium chloride present in the beaker will directly convert from solid to gaseous state. And when this ammonium chloride reaches at the top of this funnel, then there this funnel is cold. Then that gaseous ammonium chloride will be cooled down and converted into the solid state. After some time heating, I have stopped the heating. Now then I have cooled this system, and you can see that on the walls of this beaker as well as in the walls of the funnel there is a layer of ammonium chloride on it. Okay, this we will see by removing this funnel from its mouth, and you can see this white powder and this is the ammonium chloride. Okay, so by this way we can collect ammonium chloride from the walls of the funnel as well as from the walls of this beaker. Now with the help of the spatula we can collect this ammonium chloride from the walls of the beaker as well as from the walls of the funnel. Okay, if you want to check that this is the ammonium chloride, then it has a particular smell of the kapoor. You can smell it also. It is same just like the kapoor. So the thing that we have collected is ammonium chloride. This happened because ammonium chloride is a sublimable substance. It directly transfers from the solid to the gaseous state without changing into the liquid state. Okay. Now we do the next step of the activity. After the separation of ammonium chloride from the mixture, now in this mixture there is a sand and salt. We want to separate these two components of the mixture. So to do this we use the technique of filtration. So for that I will add distilled water in the mixture to make a solution of it. Now I will stir this mixture. Due to this stirring, the common salt will get dissolved in the water. Now the salt is completely dissolved in the water due to this stirring. Now there are two components. One is the insoluble component, that is at the base of the beaker, and other is the liquid. In this liquid there is a common salt dissolved. Okay. Now we will use the filter paper to do the process of the filtration. Now I will make cone with the help of this filter paper by folding the filter paper. Now I will keep three sides of this paper on one side and one side on the other side. Now I will adjust this filter paper in the funnel. Now I will pass this solution from the filter paper. This filter paper will not allow to pass the fine sand particles through it. Now in this beaker there is big size sand, and in this funnel there is a water with common salt in it. Now I am stirring it so that complete filtration of this liquid done. Now see, the fine particles of the sand remain on the filter paper as a residue, and we have collected the water in the beaker as a filtrate. In this water there is salt present in it. Now next, till now we have separated two components of the mixture. First of all, we have separated ammonium chloride, then we have separated sand. Now we want to separate the salt from this. To do this, I will heat this water. After heating, the water will evaporate and the salt will remain in the beaker. So we will heat it for the evaporation of the water. Now after heating, our water is evaporated from the filtrate that we have get after the filtration. Now the white powder that is left in the beaker is common salt. I can collect this common salt with the help of the spatula. Now I can taste it. This is salty in taste. It means this is salt. Okay. Now what we have done in this activity to separate the component of the mixture of a common salt, ammonium chloride and sand, we have done sublimation to separate the sublimable substance, that is ammonium chloride, from it. Then we have done filtration to separate the sand from it. Then we have done evaporation to separate the salt from it. I hope this activity is clear to you and you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.